Alright, this set of videos we are going to learn about viewports, and by the end of them you should have a good understanding of what viewports are and how to use them. Now I will run over the basics and the setup leading up to viewports. So in Autocad we have Modelspace and Paperspace, and in Modelspace we have our objects or our model. We are in Modelspace currently, and you can see this arrangement I've drawn. Now, I always draw my objects in Modelspace, and they are always drawn at 1:1 or full scale. And when we get to the stage of viewing parts of our model in Paperspace, that's when we start using scales other than 1:1. But that's the purpose of viewports, to look at various parts of our model at different scales. Now, going from Modelspace to Paperspace, you're going to see these three tabs here. The model tab and these two layout tabs by default. The layout tabs are for Paperspace. Some people may choose to have more than one Paperspace for the one drawing file. I only use one, so layout 2 will never usually be of any use. Anyway, to get into Paperspace, simply click on that first layout tab there. So this is Paperspace, and it is exactly that. It represents our piece of paper, which will come straight out of our printer. And what you see in front of you here is firstly this dashed line or rectangle, and it represents our printable extents of our paper, and it can be shown or hidden depending on what you've preset in your options. And this other line, what I've drawn is just a basic border. Now, we've come to the point where we are going to start drawing some viewports, and you should create a viewport layer. I've created one, and of course we should make it current before we start drawing these viewports. And we're going to leave it at that for this video. In the next video we will start drawing those viewports. So we will leave it there.